good clean nose to tail all the way through the first four corners. Two blue trucks, that's going to make this hard to call. I'm not sure which one glitched. In right now, we've got Nick Stankel up front, Tony Tisdale running 2, Ben 3, Peyton 4. Leader coming down the front straight now, 2 down the front straight, 3 down the front straight, 4 two-wheeling down the front straight. Leader coming on the front straight now, 2 and 3 battling the gap there, getting tighter and tighter as they go. Ben trying to chase down Tony. Tony giving him a little bit of a gap there. Gap gets tighter. That's going to be your battle for the race right now. That's the one to watch. Tony going over the double, Ben over the double. Oh, Tony getting it wrong, coming through the stutters. That's going to give Ben the 2 spot. Tate jumping to the 3. Watch it after the... Okay, we're clear. And the kicker, clear it up, we're good to go. 3 minutes in, Nick still out front, Ben 2, Tate 3, Tony 4. Battle for the 3 starting to heat up as Tony works his way back in, running down Tate. Tate in the blue, coming up on Dakota. Thank you, Dakota. Caution in the sweeper. Clear. Battle for the 2 spot, really starting to heat up now. All 3 on the straightaway at the same time, hitting the same obstacle at the same time. Those 3 trucks are all for position. Yeah. Oh, Tate getting it wrong, going into the step up.
First place, followed by Ben Witter in second place, followed by Tate Lockett in third place.
Tony not to be deterred, he is still on the heels of Ben Witter. He wants that 2 spot back. Caution after the kicker, on-track action, they're tangling up 2 of them. That allows Peyton to scoop through. Peyton jump into the 2. Watch the mines, watch the mines. All right, this is going to be the final lap right here. Let's see who can finish this thing out strong right to the end.
Tony just walked right. The third match, he's done. Ben was done. Nick Stample done.
All through, all done. Taking the win in that one. Nick Stample with a 31.505. Peyton 30.501. Ben 30.504. Tate with a 29.501. Rounding the field, Tony in the 5, Dakota in the 6, and Sean in the 7.